Oh my goodness, the kitties are nursing. It doesn't get any better than that if you're a kitty cat fan. 2 little girls, 2 little boys, and a partridge in a pear tree. Boop, and a partridge in a pear tree. Hey, Mama. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, pretty boy. Hi, pretty boy. Hey. Hey. What are you doing, sister? What are you doing, sister? What are you doing, boy? What are you doing, boy? What are you doing, huh? He's definitely eating. She's eating. I can't quite tell. Yep, she's eating too. See your little mouth down there? They're all just a little munchy boo-boos, huh? I really love having kitties. Yes. Aw, yeah.